Additional load bar. First, negative observation. Then, disadvantage. Disadvantage 2. AD2. AD1 observation. First negative observation dated 4 US DIC that trajectory research committee, however, my department takes evidence only said UFI contain lies, never say uniquely lies US such a legal action. Therefore, my second method complete no linkage, that's because 3, your assumption comes from Korea and US station. However, my argument is that such Korea was dependently hardly US, then such they are the evidence. The negative observation middle century mentioned when taking to naturally into the market of US from Korea, the support of rice for Korea is planned in competition for holding this example. In this sense, supporting for hardly so US such station leads to such unneeded station. However, for the link never established assumption never applied. That's because simply exist advantage 3 C-upon Pascal, established station Japan can many routes for the foreign market. In this sense, such assumption could never apply. Please keep it. At least disadvantage goes disadvantage. Then disadvantage A support. They say such A first argument is such a secondary domestic rice cheaper than Korea something. However, first method is partial. That's because only mention for the governmental cost of the such domestic market is cheaper. Never say for consumer effect. There was evidence. The evidence mentioned in the other words, we exhibit the case even though it beat the experience, keeping domestic price is cheaper, becoming cost angle. Therefore, only cost problem simply keep in mind. Therefore, never relevant to our advantage to other scenario. Then next, the RCB support. RB support you say after the US can control market assumption. However, my first method complete not inequality, no uniqueness was given. Why unique? Why under support US never do such thing? At least my second method no threshold. What the trigger to why such rice import can trigger to US action no. Then my third method is complete no difference because they did Korea and US or something such situation. Then my fourth method also counter infinity. Our infinity is simply the advantage to A from infinity. Our infinity is such only domestic problem, advantage to A from Pascal. Only domestic situation is very dangerous for Japan. However, after plan, please look at the advantage to C upon Pascal. After plan station, Japan can keep many routes to importing rice. In this in terms of domestic holding rice quantity increasing. In this for the Japan after plan comparator. At least my last argument complete no impact of B upon first and second was given clearly. They never show clear impact of disadvantage linkage. Please keep it. Why US such demand due to vaccine for Japan total no until now please keep it. There until now no impact. The next one disadvantage 2. As disadvantage 2, firstly C, please look at the C support. C support argument first they say rice fields can have multi-function something. However, first mistake, they will only say rice field have such effect. Never say other field never have such effect. Therefore, to check their reason. Their reason, their evidence center mention. Groundwater change function gives effective to flow assumption. Then evidence made also. Then under crossover under Pascal. I clearly mentioned only volatility to function to such thing because only texture water assumption. In this case, same as change function gives effective algebra in the no linkage at all. Then next A upon Pascal, please go A upon Pascal. Then on this one they say that uniqueness is the Japanese domestic something. However, first with Kate, there is only say 7.50 hectares tenant rice field management was carried out. Never say tendency of Japan. Therefore, my second method crossover under the argument in status quo such domestic shrinking, even status quo such complete feature not dealing, even status quo policy same stage almost occur. Then such status quo shrinking abandoned station of farmer don't release such stage occur. In this sense, such even status quo policy such linkage linearly happens to the TV. Then A upon second card. A upon second card they say that comparing that one other method unique rice field increase something. However, first simply cut it. There is only mention explain function of rice field. Never compare them other countermeasure. Then lastly, my last argument. Then that's next B support. Also B support. They say Japanese farm cannot win a competition. Then English have something. However, first meeting initial assumption different. That's because Japanese rice have different taste from wholly. Therefore, even if we cannot win the price competition, we can get benefit. Research master 11 go. Even if price gap is big, Japanese rice can compete against others because with high quality in the world. Japanese agriculture cannot compete because scale is small. This argument ignores the quality. When Japan was at harvest of rice in 1993, government imported 2.5 million tons of rice from Thailand and Co. Then, okay. Then at least crossover under the second after plan stage of small farmer developed the other M5 economy. Then next. Sorry, then disadvantage 2. As advantage second, they say, firstly, they say consumer never only consumer such high bar apartment, so after plan, whole consumer after plan complete data because capacity of consumer increasing. Then secondly, they say, whole rice farmer can get something, high bar second, that I doubt this one. After plan, farmer, what they look at, even farmer, such buying whole in rice can benefit, right? Because such small farmer give up the land, they concentrate other job, they enjoy the whole in rice loading free. In terms of whole farmer after plan benefit, then in terms of simply me, then after plan, whole people can to some extent capacity of consume increasing. Then this can be time breaking issues. At least simply example, see the point second, this on bar can be time breaker. At the third stage, after plan, whole in rice see something. Then my third maintain this is linkage to the performance simply keep. Then next see the point. Associable, the crucial limitation is firstly under Abenomics assumption, then I grant this point. Then secondly, the deflation spiral assumption. However, my first method, they only say deflation, never say what kind of deflation. Therefore, I should counter analysis. There is good deflation which price down caused by supplier warehouse like productivity, enhance import cheap product, it makes demand expansion, disseminating certain available. Good deflation consider current price down caused by supply side factor like losing regulation of productivity. Though losing regulation of overseas direct inventory expansion, the amount of cheap commodities go current from Asia, the decreasing price of productive price down with coefficient of demand. Hence, this is good deflation. Then my third conclusion is that this deflation completely good deflation. That's because under Tesco, thanks to the Abenomics, people's consumption and people expect the whole future is increasing. In the field, more likely to use money. In this case, price decreasing, such consumption never decreasing. Company never get benefit, never lose benefit, right? Because simply such price down, decreasing consumption increase, this no impact for such company. Then after stage, what to look at, thanks to Abenomics, in status quo, such people who are influential station, people more likely to use money. Such other such station, such salary wage never decrease for company. In the no linkage at all decrease spiral. Then at least that's because they say, contradiction assumption. However, my last argument, your assumption is the deflation vaccine. However, after plan, such stance is almost worse to enhance economy. Such good deflation was such Abenomics. Then government stance is only one to keep it. Then no impact at all. Then observation. As observation, percentage and non-intelligent, they can be compared something. However, this is partial. That's because the simple extent 8 second. For Malaysia, something smoothly can be done by humanitarian intelligent men. Then WDF, North Malaysia, on Malaysia function, economy become worse or something. However, my third method, the evidence assumption is that most worse situation, such cost is needed. That's because the evidence mentioned, if easily to flood or car, that cost is needed. Therefore, non-sentence such therefore completely depend on disadvantage thinking. Then either disadvantage thinking, then issue disadvantage unclear, this overside can should not be taken. That's because under such situation, what kind of fraud it occur to the unknown. Then at least my last argument is that real reversible advantage something. Then on this point, you may say cost of the direct cost of the other kind of factor as well. The next advantage is only there is only one non-intensive, never obligation or something. However, this is partial. That's because this is third person opinion only. Therefore, simply extend a first. I clearly mention universal duty. In this sense, such both opinion is universal duty or no. In this sense, simply you should follow what occur. Then status quo government such universal policy. However, even status quo government have import such like that. From this fact, we can predict such universal can be there. This might not be possible.
Cross-examination task or narrative. Japanese people eat Japanese rice also. If so, why? Advantage 3 solvency guarantee.
Our argument is such share is different. Such Japanese rice foreign rice. Foreign rice are cheaper share. Japanese rice is high quality share. For example, even other industries, such car cheaper car or high brand car like this. So from this and like this.
Okay, that means to some extent, such linkage happened.
Then I doubt such the serious impact linkage. Then our argument is that under such situation, only small and such weaker farmer lose their job.
Okay, I understand.
Then this under weaker function to go back.
Then upper vegetation, wild field or something.
Yes.
What is the wild field?
Wild field is after abandoned such land. not rice fields such abundantly for Japan でこうやったんですね。
which sentence compare rice paddy pea with wild pea?
Our argument is such wild can function to same as rice field.
Of course, comparing is important. That means to some extent, such wild pea have function. However, this is inferior. Of course, linkage and impact.
Then I done this inferior analysis. That's because I confirm why rice field needed. Then bottom reason is same as such wild function.
Then such reason exists. Okay, I understand this point. Then about this reason, that rice pea or wild pea, which is superior is also important. Then which sentence compare?
Then securing water system is same as.
Okay. Anyway, I want to compare on
compare.
which sentence? Sorry, simply read sentence.
Our evidence say isolated wild fields are enough to secure multiple functions or such function can be also there.
Okay.
Then maybe this to some extent comparing to wild field is no impact even such wild field or something.
Okay.
Then
go to advantage mark.
Yes.
You say minimum rice is obligation also.
Sorry, what?
Advantage mark.
Advantage one.
Minimum argument. Which sentence show?
そうケースのエビデンスが8のパーセントです。8のパーセントで、ミナセット、アグリーディバイウルグライラウンドトリーティ、then Japan promised the duty of Minas access import. This is the Uruguay Paraguay treaty.
Then anyway, Uruguay land is crucial. Okay.
Then maybe this is one kind of treaty for nation.
Then go to advantage 2. You say after France, all people can get the economic benefit or something. Then simply I don't know the reason.
Then such a your argument is price of rice or other industry declining. Then this is good thing or bad thing crucial point. Then our argument is this is good thing. That's because under such if inflation or economic situation.
No, upper A sample argument.
Sorry.
A sample argument. You say anyway, all people can get.
Sorry, misunderstanding. Our argument is
sentence show on balance.
On balance is C sample second evidence.
This evidence show such consumer burden decrease. Then, of course, without consumer burden, other effect also increase.
Sorry, what do you mean?
Yeah. Then, W, C sample argument. You said anyway, deflation is good also. But
then, as I said, such deflation means price of product decreasing. This is only deflation means. Then, for such lead to impact, such company rate decreasing or people consumption decreasing, such linkage is crucial. Then, other person.
Your assumption is consumption increase.
Then I doubt it.
Then, which sentence show consumption increase?
Then, our